Hi, my name is Naman, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the uses of BIM in the construction phase. Anybody can say things like, BIM provides a lot of value in the construction phase. Alright, so what are these values that you're talking about? In order for you to not get stuck in this kind of position, today in this video I'm going to be talking about the five values that BIM provides in the construction phase. So let's get started with the number one, which is greater collaboration. So how can you enhance collaboration on the construction side or in the construction phase by implementing BIM? Well, firstly, we have to discuss what is greater collaboration. Well, collaboration basically means all of the project team members working together well with each other. And let's look at this for a moment. Firstly, you have created a 3D model which has all of the different disciplines such as the structural, mechanical, and electrical and plumbing, all of these project team members working together. Then after you made the 3D model, now you have the quantity surveyor putting in the cost and taking out the quantities from this particular 3D model. And also you have the planner, another project team member that attaches his particular program to the 3D model in order to do construction sequencings and things like these. So I guess you can see how the greater collaboration aspect takes effect by implementing BIM in this construction phase. So that's number one. Number two, we have reduces risk in construction. So in the previous example, I told you that the planner can attach his particular program to the 3D model, and by doing this and using software such as Navisworks, he can do something called as construction sequences, which basically shows how the structure will be built according to his plan from the ground up. So all of the activities will be attached to the particular model components and they will be executed as per the activity start date and finish date. So as a result, you can see all of the errors that might occur at the construction phase and already solve them right now. So as a result, and therefore, you can reduce the risk of construction. So the third value that BIM provides in the construction process is increased in time certainty. Now what do I mean by that? Well, based on the previous example, as I have told that by implementing BIM, we cause something as construction sequencing, and that basically tells you how your project will be built from the ground up and shows you when this project will end. Now, as you can see how this project will be built and all of the components being built, engineers or specifically the planning engineers can see some of the activities can be simultaneously done, or most of the activities which are taking more time than they actually should be, and how can they cut time on that and save. So as a result, there's more time certainty, or you can also, if you mitigate all of the errors, you can also finish the time before the actual deadline that you have been given. So the third value that BIM provides is performance certainty. Now we have been talking mostly about the construction sequencing, but now I want to talk about another process that we go through in BIM called as clash detection. And in what this process basically does is that it shows you all of the clashes between different utilities or the components of a particular model, such as the pipes or the electrical cable trays. All of these utilities, if they're intersecting with each other, and they basically cause delay in performance. So as the value is performance certainty, by doing all of these clash detection process, you can detect all of these clashes and solve them right now, so that while you're constructing the actual structure, all of these clashes don't happen and you have a certainty that you will perform optimally. So that's what that particular value means. And the fourth one is called as improved quality outcomes. Now think about it. We have done something called as this right here, called as clash detection, in which you have seen all of the clashes that might occur at the construction phase and you have solved them right now. We have also done something called as this one right here, construction sequencing, where you see the structure being built from the ground up. Also, some of the things that we do are such as interior rendering, such as this rendering right there of a design that I made, then exterior rendering again of a design that you actually made, that I made, sorry. So my point is basically that we do all of these things, and at the end of the day, what do we actually do it for? In order to get a quality and useful asset, in order to increase the quality of the asset that you are providing to the client. And that's what implementing BIM does. And the fifth value that it provides is that it improves the standard of health and safety at the time of construction. And that's it, guys. This has been Naman Singhal from Rising Gulf, and I discussed all of the 5 values that BIM implementation provides in the construction at the time of construction. So if you guys have any questions related to this topic or any topic related to BIM, be sure to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever. All of the social links are down below. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you are interested in BIM and videos like this, be sure to subscribe to this channel right here. And I will see you guys in the next video. So take care.